Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Like you've read in the video title, this video is about the Nokia 7650 that I got right here in the box. But unfortunately, it's brain dead. It has the white screen of death. And here I have a phone that works. No problems with it, except for the body shell that's in rough condition. Right, so let's not waste any more time and get into it. And I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helps a lot and I really appreciate if you do that. Let's not waste any more time and begin. And here it is. Nice. Now let's take it out. The battery cover, it looks good. I mean, this one was used, it barely has some scratches. Not that much, so lovable. And this is the phone that's brain dead, unfortunately. I mean, it looks great. I really like how it looks. This is just some dirt on it, it's not scratched. And this is the one that works. That's not brain dead, but it's dead inside by how it's looking. But hey, it works. So let me go ahead and switch off this phone. I do want to give it a test and see, maybe not turned off yet. Now it is. I mean, the button is pressing nicely, but yeah, a dead brain will always be a dead brain, unfortunately. Well, I've tried. Yeah, nobody home. Too bad. Actually, I don't care if this gets scratched. It's scratched enough as it is anyway, so I can do it, boy. Yes. Easy to not snap the flex cable. Seriously, what, you're still holding it, bro? Easy, easy, yes. I knew it was a connector. This thing just lights off like it is. Yeah. And here's the magnet. It tells when the phone is open. Okay, so I was also testing some video settings and I've rearranged it. So this is how it's gonna be till the end of the video. And I hope I don't regret it. I don't know, it kinda looks more gothic. Or gothic, whatever you like. A little readjustment of the light as well. Oh. So you need to take these two as well. I'll give this thing a good clean first. I'm also curious to see how it looks up close, you know. Microscope time. The laser engravings. Engraving, actually. Sorry. Battery. Japan, boy. Oh, look at that. Surface area. Nice. Phillips. Sorry if I'm being boring now, but I just find this thing interesting, you know, looking at the circuit up close and personal. Yeah. Okay, enough fun. Okay, now that this is clean, now I have to be extra careful with this good one. Yeah. Oh boy, I don't like being extra careful with stuff. I need to sit down for this. Really? Nokia plastic quality. Yeah, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Yes, finally. My god, the paint is coming off. Oh, come on, stop coming off, bro. There's nothing to clean in this, it's clean by itself. Before I put it back, I do have to check that it works, you know. After all that struggle to take it out, just to put it back to see that it is not working, I would be mad. Like really, real mad. I chipped this. Yeah. Splinter. Okay. Well, it works. Sensors work as well. Okay, the camera works as well. Good. Right, so time to turn it off. Almost dropped it. Well, this was supposed to have the thicker battery, but this is the only one that I have now for the moment. So yeah, a bit dusty in here. I'm putting this like so because it's very hard to take it out, especially when it's in good condition. Put this here, the battery here, put everything back, and maybe do an unboxing next time. Yeah. I'm happy and I'm sad. Sad because I've scratched the paint. I mean, I just hit it a little and the paint started to come off, exfoliate or something like that. Well, and I'm also happy that I did it. I'm gonna put this back in my showcase for now because I have some editing to do, and maybe I'll also make an unboxing video of this. Depends on the weather and how I feel and how hungry I am. Anyway, this is my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.